Another figure is a pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional figure with a polygon on the bottom, called the base, and the sides come to a point called the apex. A pyramid can have a square base, or a rectangular base, or a triangular base. Basically, any polygon can be the base of a pyramid. The sides of the pyramid are triangles. The tips of the triangles come together at the apex. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times B times H. Capital B is the area of the base figure. Capital H is the height of the pyramid. We determine the height of the pyramid by connecting the apex to the base of the figure with a perpendicular line segment. The length of the line segment that is perpendicular to the base is the height of the pyramid. Let's determine the volume of the pyramid shown. The base of this figure is a rectangle with a length of 8.2 and a width of 6.5. The height is shown to be 11.3. And that's because the line segment is perpendicular to the base. Capital B is the area of the rectangle. B equals length times width equals 8.2 times 6.5 equals 53.3. H equals 11.3. Therefore, volume will be 1/3 times 53.3 times 11.3, which equals 201 rounded to the nearest cubic unit. I did not designate a unit. If the measurements were in meters, I would have cubic meters. If the measurements were in inches, I would have cubic inches. Let's look at another figure. This figure is called a cone. It is very similar to a pyramid because there is a point or apex, but the base figure is not a polygon. The base figure is a circle. Think of a traffic cone in the parking lot. Volume is also 1/3 times the area of the base figure times the height of the cone. Capital B in this case will be the area of a circle, pi times r squared. Therefore, in order to find the volume, we need the radius of the base figure and the height of the cone. The circular base of the cone shown has a radius of 3 inches. The height of the cone is 12 inches. Our volume will be 1/3 times the area of the base, pi times 3 inches squared, times the height of the cone, 12 inches, equals 113 cubic inches rounded to the nearest cubic inch.